2906X Zone 6.
2906, answer, go ahead.
Radar, we had a lightning strike hit the triple decker of the PGA. I've got 2 ambulances running on scene. I'll advise further once I get on site.
I copy that.
Copy, there's 4 down. I got 2 medics on scene. Can you start me 2 more, please?
I have 2 minutes on scene, 4 down.
Yeah, go ahead and have them come in through Austin and East Lake Drive at the clubhouse. They'll direct them in.
I copy, Austin.
Provide what he has.
I copy that. 2575 Austin Drive. 2575 Austin.
36 7 right that way.
36 copy.
.3671 radio.
3671.
23 traffic.
Copy 23.
71 radio.
3671. What's the condition of the 40 down?
I put it down. They're all ACB. Hit a tree right beside them. Don't know if they took a direct hit. A lot of them have superficial injuries, bleeding, tendon soreness. We've got probably 20 first aid North Hospital on scene, 2 Central EMS, standing by for 2 more.
I copy that.
You can get a radio?
3613, break, go ahead.
26.
Copy on there. Okay, 64 go ahead.
Yeah, be advised, I'm 26. Are you able to radio? Can you copy from 39, please?